In today's video, we're gonna unbox this Baby Shark 4-piece room solution. Comes with 2 chairs and the toy bin. Okay, so this is for 3 and plus years. Here's the dimensions. This is for the chair. Here's the dimensions for the toy bin. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Tape here. Some nice little paddings. I bought this one off Walmart. I believe it was like $60, $65, around there. Right now with the pandemic and everything, the price is either gonna go probably more up. So this is nice that it comes like in a saran wrap, in a plastic wrap. Go ahead and get these out of the way. What's inside? Let's go ahead and open this up. Be careful not to slice into the furniture. Put the toy bin stuff on the side. The screws. For the toy bin. More screws. You can see them poking out of the box here. Here's the top part of the table. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and assemble this. The little things, we're gonna have to remove that. Have a little pick here. There we go, popped right out. Start with the little box. Okay, it seemed to be for the chairs maybe. Put them on the side. Okay, these are the legs for the table. Let's go ahead and get the green ones and start assembling it. Just like that. We're done assembling the table. Now let me tell you, all this wood, it feels really cheap, so don't expect too much out of it. You can feel it's very cheap. So that's the table so far. Let's go ahead and start with the chairs. Here's the instructions for the chairs. We first have to get the bottom part of the chair and get the 4 yellow little stands. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is the bottom part. And once again, these things feel really light, really cheap. So we got both of them, all 8. Let's go ahead and put the back part. So this back part's first gonna slide down into the groove. Then we're gonna get the 2 AA screws and screw them in. Just like that. So you're going to put the 2 little screws right there. Let's go ahead and do that. So this does not come with any type of tool. So far all you're going to need is the Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and open this little package up. Get 2 of these little bolts. It should enter nice and easy. Let's go ahead and finish tying that up. Okay, just tighten these 2 screws. Do not over tighten these. Should look like that. Let's go ahead and do the other one. I'm gonna skip that one so the video is not that long. Okay, so we have separate instructions for the toy bin. I don't really think we need the instructions. And here they are. Required tools, Phillips screwdriver. So first step, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and get this side and lay it down. We got this panel. We're gonna go ahead and put the 4 little bolts to the bottom. Got the 4 little bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera here. Have 1 little bolt right there to the bottom. Get one of the metal rods. Do the same thing on all 4. The bolt through the bottom. Careful not to scratch the toy bin. Do the other 2. Put a little bit of pressure here on the finger so it doesn't move, to make it easier. All right, all 4 are on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the green little tarp thing. And where you see the little shark fin, that's going to be the back part. So we're going to start on this one. Let me go ahead and move the camera. So we have the little shark fin right there. I'm going to go through the back like that. Pull it up again and slide the one on this side. Go ahead and slide the rest. All right, so this is what we have so far. That's going to be the back part. So a little fin. Just slide this one at the same time with this one. And you just wrap that one. Number 2 that we just did. We're gonna go to number 3 and put the other side with the 4 bolts. And the remaining 4 bolts here. Go ahead and line it up. Line it up right there. It's lined up. So do not tighten it all the way. Make sure you put all 4 of them and line them up. The little sticks here, they move. So just line it up and put the bolt through. Just like that. Do the other 2. Once again, you can't really see anything there. But when you move this little bottom part, you line it up right there. And same thing with the last one. So I'm moving it from the bottom, just lining it up. This last one is a little bit more harder. Put it lined up. I wanted to get that on camera, but I'm not sure why it was hard. That last one was the hardest one. Okay, let's go ahead and tighten them all up. So for some reason this thing was like that. Just line it up and it should work. Goes in nice and freely. If for some reason this thing is crooked, just go ahead and line it up to where it should be. All the bolts should go in freely. Let's go ahead and tighten them up. Do the same with all 4. And tighten the ones on the other side if they're loose. So if these things are loose, just tighten these. They are fine. They're fine. So far, this is what it should look like. So all there's left is just assemble the little boxes. We have these, and that one. It's going to be the 3 small ones on the top, 2 medium ones on the middle one, and the large one on the bottom. Let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to need the little squares. Here's a small one. So that's a medium-sized one. Make sure you get the small one. You're going to get the little container, whichever one. Just going to throw this one in there. That's going to hold it in place. So you can go ahead and arrange it right there. Go ahead and get this one also. Nice and easy. Set it up right there. Let's go ahead and open it. And add this one right there. You can put them in whatever order you want. So let's go ahead and start with the medium little boxes. This is the one with the little waves. Go ahead and open it. It's a little piece of I don't know what. Go ahead and discard that so the kids don't eat it. Go and put that one there. Do the other one. Open this up. Go ahead and put it over there. The little waves there. Let's go ahead and get started with the large one. Get this out of the way. This is the big box. Large one is where everyone is together there. Go ahead and get the big rectangle one. Just slide it in there. And we're done. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice actually. I didn't think it was gonna look this nice. So all these things, don't think it's gonna last forever. The kids are gonna tear these things down. This is just like cardboard box quality type material. But for as long as it lasts, maybe a few months, maybe. Looks pretty nice. This one slides out. Put all in the toys there. Have a little Pikachu and a donut here. Okay, so all together it's right here. Now this table, I thought it was going to be more of a squared, It's more of a rectangle shape. If you have little kids, I highly recommend this table, or any kind of table. There's different types, different characters. Kids really enjoy it. They can sit there, play, either with Play-Doh, or they can eat there. For the toy bin, it's nice and everything, but no, I don't really recommend this one. These things are very cheap and they're gonna rip very easy. So one thing that was left was the stickers. You can give the stickers to the kids. They can put them on here wherever they want, or on the chairs. A lot of room in the back they can put them on. One thing I didn't like was all this shaving here. It's gonna turn out to be like that anyways, but if you're a perfectionist or something, it's one thing you're not gonna like. All those little edges are a little rough. Table seems fine. Chairs do have some chipping here. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.